How to fix Zelle app not working. First of all, check your internet connection and make sure your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or a mobile network. A weak connection can prevent the app from loading or processing transactions. Next, ensure your app is updated to the latest version. Open your Play Store, search for Zelle and tap Update if available. Updates often fix bugs and improve performance. After updating, clear the app cache and data from your device settings. This removes temporary files that might be causing glitches. If the app still doesn't work, restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart resolves temporary issues. Also check if Zelle servers are down by visiting your official website or checking online for outage reports. Finally, if none of these steps work, contact Zelle customer support through the official website for assistance. Now you know how to fix Zelle app not working. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.